Hello and welcome to English Learning. In this video, I will read a morning speech on the topic Power of Kindness. So without wasting much time, let's begin. A very good morning to everyone present out here. Today I am standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the power of kindness. Kindness is simple but can have a huge impact on our lives and the lives of others. When we are kind, we spread happiness and create a positive environment. It can be as easy as saying hello, helping a friend, or sharing a smile. Let's make it our goal to be kind every day. Remember, small acts of kindness can lead to big changes. Let us inspire each other and make our school a better place. Thank you.